Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to turn on light mode on Roblox in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to change to light mode on Roblox, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To turn on light mode on Roblox, first of all, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the three dots more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. A menu screen will open with different options. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings. A new settings screen will open. From the Settings menu, tap on Account Info. Now, a new screen will open with different account settings. Scroll down to the Themes section and tap on the drop-down icon. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, select the Light Mode option. The Roblox app will now switch to light mode immediately, giving you a brighter theme with a classic look.